Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a pear, and I've always been fond of pears, but I've developed a allergic reaction to apples. My throat starts closing up when I eat them, and it's not always a good outcome. So I can eat cooked apples, but just not of apples, off the tree, so to speak. Anyway, back to our story. I had some friends I was raised up with, and they were Lumbee Indians. If you Google Lumbee Indians, it'll come up. And I grew up with them, consider them family. Matter of fact, their mama told everybody I was her white youngin'. So that was a fact I was always proud of. And I still see them for the most part. We've lost mom and dad and two brothers out of that. We still got a brother and a sister left. But they had two pear trees in their yard. We'd go down there and the pears were ripe. We wanted a snack. We were looking at that pear tree. Well, you'd always eyeball that one pear that was just gorgeous. And these are some of the best pears I've ever ate. Well, we'd throw sticks, whatever we could, trying to knock that pear down if we couldn't climb up there and get it. But the only thing was, whoever knocked it down, that was their pear. And we did it in such a way, there was never a mix-up as far as who was throwing. We never threw it at the same time, I guess to keep from clunking each other in the head, getting knocked out. But we'd always get that big pear, and it was always satisfying to you if you were able to knock it down, because you knew you kind of got the better of everybody else. But those are some of the best pears, and there was 3 trees. 2 of them had pears pretty regular. I always wished I'd had some seeds or rootings off those pear trees. And I was talking with, I call him my Indian brother. He calls me his white brother. So we're fine with that, and that's how it is. And I was talking with him and talking about them pear trees, and he was telling me, he said he never ate any pears as good as those. And we were at a memorial service for one of the brothers, and the sister, she said how we'd try to knock them pears down. The one brother had knocked the pear down for her if she wanted a pear, because she was younger than us. But every time I eat a pear, I always think about that family of mine. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.